Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready, Amelia.
Go.
You tell me when.
Hang on, if you just stand there.
You tell me when and I'll start.
Talk for a second.
Are you zooming in on the bum fluff on my face?
No.
I need to shave this. This is getting itchy. This is terrible. But yes. Are you zoom? I can see in the mirror what you're doing. Hello, fellow Patreons. Welcome back to another video. Amelia and I thought it'd be a good idea to give you guys a bit of a behind the scenes video every month. A little something extra for you guys supporting us on the channel. We really appreciate your support, so thank you so much from both Amelia and I. And I hope you all enjoy the bit of the behind the scenes video.
This is like vlog number one.
Number one. You like my cogwheels, by the way?
Oh. Yeah, they're nice. How many did you do?
Are you kidding me? Well, look how many cogwheels are in just one door. I have no idea how many are there, but then we've got a stack maybe that big.
Oh my gosh.
In the garage, which I painted. It took like 3 days to finish everything, so there's a lot involved.
So what are our options?
So, I want to know your opinion. I want either pastel blue.
Yep.
Or do you think like a transparent blue would be better? Like the clear liquid, then we had the blue dye in.
My opinion? The pastel.
The pastel, it does always have more of a vibrant colour and it stands out a lot more, but we haven't done many transparent.
So you vote transparent?
I don't know. No, I'm probably leaning more towards the pastel just because we've got a solid blue sort of panel down there. I think this is going to be a tad darker than that, but I don't have another blue that's sort of a bit lighter. Mm-hmm. Unless I try and add a tiny bit of white into it to lighten it.
Right.
I'll see how it looks when I put it in there then. I'll go with this.
Which one's that one? The pastel?
The pastel, yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so what's the next step now?
Well, we had to turn the PC sideways because this was a bit of a weird loop that we built, but I wanted to do something different than, you know, the regular reservoir pump loop. So I actually put the pump down here because it was the only place I could fit it. And what I've done is, because I've turned the PC sideways, I can fill it from this top reservoir and it's still going to be feeding liquid to the pump. Then once it's all full, it's not going to really matter. Like, it doesn't matter where the reservoir and the pump is once, you know, the loop is completely filled with liquid. So that's what we're trying now. Wish me luck. Amelia, come check this out. So remember the RGB cables that you liked from Leon Lee?
Yep.
They came out with a second version, the Stroma Plus, and if you have a look in here, it's got lots of new effects. And I know how you like RGB, but so these are the single color presets, and then if I scroll through those, we get to some crazy RGB effects.
That's awesome.
I actually love this one because it's a bit faster and it does cover much of the cables. This one as well, this looks cool.
Yeah.
I don't know about this one because not much of the cables lit up at once. Mm-hmm. This one's pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of like when music's playing, you know, the...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that one's just crazy.
Wow.
That one's a bit slow. That one's got to be your favourite,
yeah,
right?
That's my favourite.
So how do you feel about RGB cables, or do you like normal ones, normal sleeved cables? Check out my new backplate.
Looks lovely.
Oris cogwheel design. I must say so myself. I love the stacked cogwheel design. Hang on, let's have a look at it. Go on, get a close up of that one.
Close up? Okay.
Very nice. Look at these little valves that I did. Those handles used to be red, by the way.
The paint came out really well, actually.
Yeah, tried to make it look dirty and oily, I guess. And then we've got the two side doors, actually. Let me show you the back of one. So the idea behind this is the actuator is going to be sliding along this long section, which is why I put that on the back. If I didn't put it on the back, then it might get sort of stuck in the holes in the cogwheels there. So yeah, that's the two side doors. I'll try and hold them in place for you. So the two side doors will be like that. And then the actuators will push them both open. Which is pretty cool. And then, but wait, there's more. Our distro plate sits up here like that, which is pretty sick. And so the doors will sort of close to about here and then open, and the actuators will sit on the bottom. That's all I've got for now, but we will be dressing up these sides pretty soon.
Sounds like a plan.
Have you stopped it? Is it still going? Are we done?
Done.
Wait,